Alright, now let's get you playing some more notes. There are two ways to change the note you're playing on the guitar. The first is just playing a different string, like we did in the other video. The second is by fretting a different fret on the same string. If you remember from the last video, frets are the metal bars that run across the fretboard. By pushing down the string we want to play just before a fret, we can make the string play a different note, like this. Now it's your turn. We'll use your index finger, which we call your first finger. If you've played piano before, you might get a little confused here because we don't use the thumb to play guitar, so we count our fingers starting with the index finger. Using the tip of your finger, place your finger just behind the first fret. Not touching it, not over here, right about there. Now you're going to make sure your finger's nice and curled, and then play that. If you get a buzzing like this, it means you're pressing almost hard enough, but you need to press a little harder. If you get a muted click, either you're on the fret or you're pressing way too lightly and you need to press a lot harder. Remember, if it's not quite working right, pause or replay the video and try this as many times as it takes, as many times as it takes, as many times as it takes, as many times as it takes until you can get a nice sound most of the time. Once you can get a good sound, move on to the next section.